Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, bro. Sana matupad yung pangarap and be good health and stay safe and be happy with friends and family. Kung problema, nandito ako para sa iyo as a friends and God bless and ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, bro, and sana enjoy sa iyong kaarawan nimo. Happy birthday, bro. We all love you.
Happy birthday sa'yo na malipayon nga sa mong adlaw. Perme, ngayon God bless you.
Hello kuya, happy birthday. Love you. Sana maayos kayo din ni si Yan at si Ma'am. Miss ko na kayo. Sana makapunta ako. Siguro mga next time. Ayun lang, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Justin. This is my message for you. On your special day, I pray that the ground you walk upon will forever bring you blessing. The sky above will forever release favor on you. May this day mark a beginning of new happiness and justice for you, my love. Happy birthday.
Birthday to my first hero and role model forever. I'm so proud to be your sibling. I love you, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Justin! Happy birthday, Justin! 17 birthday na ni mo, Jazz! Pagbinutan, Jude! I love you!
Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday, Justin!
Happy birthday, Justin! How are you? Mag-ingat ka dyan. Ilang taong ka na?
Happy birthday, Justin! Happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Ilang taon ka na ngayon? Always take care and sana makita ka namin isang araw ni lola mo. Bumisita ka dito sa may Manila pag kaya mo. Ayun lang. Enjoy your birthday. Take care. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Justin. Dong, pag-ayo-ayo dong. Kay taas-taas yung edad. Amping yung permi. Love you. Okay.
Hi! Happy birthday, Justin! Happy 70th birthday. Make it a year to remember. Wishing you a full of fun and memories. Happy birthday once again from us here in Dipolog City. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hello, Kuya Justin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jazz. Amping dia. Good boy dat. Permihan.
Keep it up sa studies. Kay para pohon. Bright and future. And antayin mong manghod, imong mami. Be a good boy always. Happy birthday. We love you.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I wish na ko sa inyo makabuot ni mo ang imuhang gusto maabot. Og stay humble. Imuhang eskwela, tarunga. Kung hawd ka, masawdin pa ni mo. Di na init ang imong ulo. God bless. Buhay ka na matagal hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Justin. Be a good boy always. Para sa ko, baby boy pa ka na ako. Para sa ko, ikaw pa itong akong humanitic karga 10 years ago. Pala mama ka ay, tanalihok mama. Tanalihok na lang mama. Karon di na mapugnan, you're 17 years old already. So, kailangan maging disiplinado ka sa imong sarili always, ha? Kailangan study sa yung ka. Focus on your study, Justin. Kasi patakabalong sa mga itabong puhon. Diba? At least ready na ka, whatever. ng mga himahitabo, puhon-puhon. Basta mag-eskwela lang ikaw tao. I love you so much.